Hello my wonderful people, you're welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make rice water for hair growth, and make sure you stay to the end of this video so that you won't miss any part of it. So I'll be using small quantity of rice. I prefer using local rice, but if you don't have local rice you can use any other type of rice to do it. So I have to transfer it into my bowl. So next, I'm going to wash the rice 2 times. And please, if you like this video, please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so that whenever time I upload the video, you will be the first person to see it. So this is my jar. After washing the rice, I'm going to transfer the rice into my jar. So guys, after putting the rice into my jar, I'm going to add water to it and allow it to stay for 24 hours. So guys, after the 24 hours, this is how it will look like. You can see how the color has changed. So next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain it. I'm going to strain the rice water. So after separating the rice from the water, this is how it looks like. So after then, I'm going to pour in the rice water into my spray bottle. So as I'm doing this, let me explain to you the benefits of using rice water for hair growth. So rice water contains vitamins, minerals and amino acid that can nourish the hair and scalp. It promotes hair growth, reduce split end, and also improve hair texture. So using rice water for hair growth is very good and important as well. And guys, after putting inside my spray bottle, this is how it will look like and it's ready to be used. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching.